Is mint just a refreshing herb, or does it have hidden health benefits, and perhaps a few risks you didn't know about? In today's video, we'll explore the science behind mint, its benefits, potential downsides, and how to use it effectively in your daily life. Let's dive in. Let's start with the benefits. Mint is best known for its soothing properties, especially when it comes to digestion. Studies show that mint can help reduce bloating, relieve indigestion, and even ease symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Another big plus is its ability to refresh your breath. Mint has natural antibacterial properties, making it effective at neutralizing odor-causing bacteria in your mouth. Mint also contains antioxidants like rosmarinic acid, which help fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. These properties make mint a great choice for supporting overall health. And did you know that the scent of mint can boost mental focus and reduce fatigue? Many people use mint essential oil to improve alertness and concentration. While mint is generally safe and beneficial, there are a few things to keep in mind. One of the main concerns is for people with acid reflux or GERD. Mint can relax the muscle at the base of the esophagus, which may worsen symptoms of heartburn. Another potential issue is the overuse of mint essential oil. Applying it directly to the skin without dilution can cause irritation, and consuming too much may lead to nausea or dizziness. Lastly, some people may be allergic to mint or experience sensitivity to menthol, a key compound in mint. Symptoms can include itching, swelling, or even difficulty breathing in severe cases. So, how can you enjoy the benefits of mint while avoiding potential risks? Here are a few tips. First, if you have acid reflux, use mint sparingly or avoid it altogether, especially in strong forms like tea or oil. Second, when using mint essential oil, always dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil before applying it to your skin. Lastly, for general use, fresh mint leaves are a safe and versatile option. You can use them in teas, infused water, or simply chew a leaf for fresh breath. Mint is a powerful herb, but moderation is key to enjoying its benefits safely. In summary, mint is a refreshing and versatile herb with impressive benefits for digestion, mental focus, and overall health. Just be mindful of potential sensitivities and use it wisely. How do you use mint in your daily life? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more food and health insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.